for the kind words, Demnath, sir. I'm so excited to be speaking with the Bodoland community, and I hope to see you soon this evening for our event. Namaste from Indira Gandhi International Airport, Bodoland University. See you.
Welcome to Spelling Bee Round 1.
11! It's 11!
Whatever. I'm your host, artificial intelligence researcher and perfect ACT scorer and perfect GPA, Rifat Bari. And today we have our contestant, Professor and Mayor Soborno Isaac Berry. Are you ready?
I was born ready.
We'll see about that. Your first word is craft. To craft.
C-R-A-F-T.
That's one point. What does craft mean?
Craft means to make something.
Okay, correct. Are you ready for the next word?
I said I was born ready.
Alright. Next word is craven. Craven.
Craven. What is the definition?
The definition is to be cowardly or to be shameful.
Oh no.
Craven.
Craven. C-R-A-V-E-N.
Craven. Okay, that's one
yes!
point for craven. Okay, next word. Credence.
Can you tell me what it means?
To trust or to believe. For example, do you want me to use it in a sentence?
Yes.
The scientist had much credence because he had a high H index.
I would assume it's actually pronounced credence, but C-R-E-D-E-N-C-E.
Wow! Next word, are you ready?
I was born ready! Shush!
We'll see about that. Next word is credulous. Credulous.
C-R-E-D-U-L-O-U-S. Announce the definition to the viewers.
What is the definition? Let me ask you that if you were born ready.
The definition is to be credible.
It might sound like the last word, but that's wrong. The definition was actually to be gullible.
Wait, so does that mean I only get 0.5 for that word?
No, you spelled it correctly, so you get 1 point.
Yay.
Next word, are you ready?
Yes.
Next word is, drum roll please.
Oh.
Next word is decorum.
Decorum. Oh no. Decorum.
I can use it in a sentence.
Say the definition.
The definition is to have good manners.
What was the word again?
Decorum.
Decorum. D-E-C-O-R-U-M.
That's right.
No.
Okay, next word.
I was ready.
I didn't ask.
Shush. Shush. I know you were going to.
Deference.
Deference. Can you, I don't want to take any risks, so can you tell me what it means?
Yes, deference. To show respect. Or I can use it in a sentence if you want.
Reference, but with a D at the beginning. I'm just kidding. D-E-F-E-R-E-N-C-E.
Slow down, say it again.
D-E-N, wait, no. D-E-R.
Do you want me to say that word again?
Yeah.
Deference.
Wait, D-E-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Mr. I can't hear letters.
1 point for deference. Okay, next word. Deflect. Deflect.
L-E-C-T, meaning to like, if you have a shield and it blocks a bullet and turns it in the other direction, it deflected the bullet.
That's right. To divert something. Deftness.
Deftness. I know you're intentionally pronouncing it as to make me say
deftness.
Deafness, but it's D-E.
1 point for deafness.
Woohoo!
What is the definition?
What does deft mean?
Okay, I'll tell the good folks watching. Deftness means to have a lot of dexterity, to be able to use something, or to be good at something that requires your hand. So for example, artisans have a lot of dexterity or deftness. People who do pottery have a lot of deftness. Okay, next word.
I was ready.
Delineate. Delineate.
D-E-L-I-N-E-A.
Slow down, slow down, start over.
Okay, mister, I can't hear. D-E-L-I-N-E-A-T-E, mister.
Wow, you're on a roll. Okay, now what is the definition of delineate?
To divert, to bring something off their original path?
No, delineate means to describe accurately.
What?
Right, so for example, if you're trying to explain the space shuttle, how the space shuttle works to a layperson.
Or the James Webb Space Telescope. Yeah,
yes, if you want to explain how the JWST works to a layperson, you're going to delineate how it works. Okay.
Seth, we don't talk about that here at Barry Science Lab.
And a last word, demur. Demur.
Demur.
Demur.
Demur.
Be careful, you can ask me to pronounce it again.
Pronounce it, but slow.
Demur.
I said slow, idiot.
Demur.
D-E-M-E-R.
Say it again.
Okay, Mr. Deaf.
Slowly.
D-E-M-E-R. Oh no. Oh no.
Gotcha.
I don't like this melody!
It is a U, not an E. So that's a 0 for the last one. But nevertheless, you get 90%, which is 30% above what you need to enter the next round.
Namaskar from Bodoland University. I'm here with Demnath sir. He has been helping me and communicating with me during my time arranging this event and being here at Bodoland University, so I appreciate his work very much. Would you like to say anything?
Yes, Professor Bari, we are very pleased to have in your university, especially in the Bodoland, and you are the God's child. Everybody knows, the world knows you, and it's here being you in the university, in the BTC, is a privilege for us to welcome you, to have you with us. And the students community, the parents community in this area will definitely be, get the, benefits out of your speeches and the guidance that will be, you have 2 sessions here in this BTC. One is organized by the Bodoland University here in the Inter-College Youth Festival closing ceremony. And another is organized by the BTC government, headed by the Pramod Boro sir, and that will be on tomorrow, 19th of February, from 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. at the Bodofa Cultural Complex. Enjoyed your lunch, the Bodo traditional lunch here in Bodoland, sir?
Yes, it was a very nice lunch.
Okay.
Tasted very nice.
Tasted very nice. Okay. So you have traveled a lot, since 16th of February you are traveling. So you are still, I have seen you are still doing your mathematics and solving your questions. So how did you manage these things?
I just do it for fun, naturally. It's not
Fun.
like work for me.
Okay, science and maths with fun.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. And this is a very universities being very new to this area, Portland University, and you would visits in this university. I think this university will be highlighted nationally, internationally, and will be benefited out of your visits. Thank you very much. We'll be looking forward for another visits, more visits to this area. And Rashidul Saab, your father, is very kind to us. He has given us the opportunity with you for a meeting with you in this university. So I must thank Rashidul sir, your father, your parents, and God bless you to grow and work for the world community.
Thank you for the kind words, Demnath sir. I'm so excited to be speaking with the Bodoland community, and I hope to see you soon this evening for our event.
Kibai. Adura tepat kai berpeti. Ang dinay tes kerja lagi. Anak kaya na.